So in the last video, we set up all our worksheets for Latin America, US, Asia, and Europe the same way, which means total revenue was in cell D3. So let's change some of the prices and the demands around, just to make it interesting. Okay, so now you might want to have a summary worksheet where you add up the total revenue, and if you inserted a new worksheet in between Latin America and Europe, the technique we're going to show you would include the calculations in that new worksheet. But let's add a new worksheet for summary. So we'll click on the plus sign, add a new worksheet. Let's call it summary. So you want to add up everything in D3 to get the total revenue because we set it up, B3, I'm sorry. You want to add up everything in cell B3 in each worksheet, Latin America through Europe. So you can do what's called a three-dimensional formula. You do equal sum, left parentheses. Now you go to the first worksheet, you point to B3. And you hold down the shift key and you go to the last worksheet in the range Europe. And then it looks like this. Okay, now if you're going to use that formula text function that we've discussed, you could have typed it in this way. Sum, left paren, and then you'd go Latin America, colon, Europe, quote, Latin America, colon, Europe, single quote. That's the range. Everything between the Latin America and Europe worksheet in cell B3 will be added up. See, if I would insert a worksheet here, insert new worksheet. Let's call it Africa. I just saw Book of Mormon and they had a great song kicking off on Bono's song about Africa. Book of Mormon is very funny. So I put a 65 here, second time I saw it. Okay, now, if I go to the summary, it's now 321. And if I make that a 70, it should be 326. So you can see that worksheet that I inserted between Latin America and the US is counted because it's between Latin America and Europe. Well, that concludes our quick discussion of how 3D formulas work and how you can set up multiple templates very efficiently. Next, we're going to talk a little bit about the paste special feature in Excel, namely paste special transpose and paste special arithmetic operations.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of three books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytic stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.